Hello, welcome to RRG Toyota at Salford, Quays. We're having a refurbishment at the moment, but we are open as usual. Let me show you around. Okay, so when you arrive here at Toyota Salford Quays, we really want to still continue to give you a great welcome. As you can see, the showroom is currently closed, but we have made some facilities for you on the left hand side, and I'm going to show you where to go for the different aspects of your customer journey. Okay, so the first porter cabin you come to is actually dedicated to our staff, downstairs and upstairs. Upstairs are our wonderful sales team. The second set of cabins on the ground floor is our customer reception. You'll get a very nice cup of tea in there and a very warm welcome. Upstairs in our second cabin is our sales consultation area. Here you can sit down and have a nice cup of tea, discuss all of your requirements with one of our amazing sales executives. As I said, it's still business as usual. We are still able to arrange test drives for you, and all of our cars are still on display. We've got plenty of used cars, and we can also going to display some of our new cars along with our latest offers. We can even take you for a test drive in any of our brand new cars, including the all-new Toyota BZ4X. We've even found some space to put in some customer toilets. Our workshop is open as usual, as you can see, and if you need to book in for a service or an MOT or any repair work, we're here for you. Our parts department is also open as usual. It's round the back of the building where it always was, and you'll get a very warm welcome here too. I hope you've enjoyed our video. We look forward to welcoming you here at RRG Toyota Salford Quays very soon, and please report to the ground floor reception when you arrive.